You can count on begins with that $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief bill. Georgia Senator Jon Ossoff at Fort Gordon today talking about it. Wes Cooper was there.
John, a lot of optimism today from Senator Ossoff as he met with many people at Fort Gordon. He says today's visit at the post was to get a better understanding of how he can be of service to everyone, especially to those serving in the military.
It's so important that we move swiftly to pass this bill.
Right now, lawmakers in D.C. are hammering out a new COVID-19 relief bill. Friday, House Democrats fully released the proposal.
If we pass this legislation, we will be able to produce enough vaccines to ensure every American can get immunized by midsummer.
While the bill must gain approval from the House of Representatives before going to the Senate, some analysts say the bill might be stalled because everyone is not on board with raising the minimum wage to $15 an hour. Ossoff says between stimulus checks and tax credits, the average working Georgia family of 4 would receive about $8,400 under the bill.
Once we in the Senate pass that legislation, it'll go to the president for his signature.
While at Fort Gordon, the freshman senator was briefed on the latest security developments.
What I saw today was a team of women and men committed to serving, committed to defending our country, who are providing an extraordinary service to our country through their service in the armed forces. And I'm not going to comment on specific national security missions that are sensitive or classified, but I want to express my gratitude.
Senator Ossoff's team also inspected some of the housing on post. He says he will get a full report in the coming days.
The men and women who are serving, they're entitled to world-class, top-flight housing at the highest standard for health and safety.
Senator Ossoff added if any military service member or a family member needs assistance with anything, call his office. He says they would be more than happy to help you. Tim.